Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's your boy N-Man Gaming here, episode 25 of First Person Life, the Let's Play series. We're here in the downtown Chandler server. Just found a cool, neat little area to maybe run around and explore. But right now, my character's bladder is off the chain. All right, this place looks promising. Wow, this is a pretty cool zone. Hello. Are there any like quests or like some cool buildings to explore around here?
Well, just kind of here. I know where the first little building is downtown Chandler. If you want to go out through these double doors, go straight down, you'll see a lot more like courtyard views and everything like that, and the vines. And
oh, sweet.
You see out there have been growing with the hotel since it was built.
Oh, nice. Yeah, because. Sweet. Yeah, I noticed like this seemed like a pretty cool zone, but it's kind of like a low level one. I mean, no offense, I could probably 1v1 anyone here, but yeah, this is a sick place. This is cool. Here's a door that's open, which means you're allowed to go in. Whoa. Spooky room, hold up. Very spooky. Ah, here we go. Some light. Oh, wow. Just squeeze through here. Wow, this one's painted shut. Someone's office, and that goes right back outside. Very cool. This place is super cool. Well, my curiosity is overcoming me. I wonder what's over here. Oh. Just the eating area. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I'm supposed to be helping out with the thing.
Hi.
I'm supposed to help out with the thing.
What kind of helping?
I don't know. They told me it was somewhere around here. It's one of my quests.
What is that request?
There's like a party I'm supposed to help out with.
Party?
Yeah, I'm supposed to help set up the like catering.
Oh, I see. It's my in the banquet, but you're not here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Down there, down there.
Down there?
And downstairs in the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You go in the hall.
Uh-huh.
I'm supported there in the kitchen. You ask them.
Ask them in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. I don't know if this might be the wrong floor. A little bit. He told me it was down the elevator.
Do you know what you're looking for?
Yeah, it's supposed to help with the party.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The party just.
That's all they told me.
Everyone's supposed to know what that means.
No, I don't. That's why I'm so confused.
Yeah. That's cool.
How do I get out of here?
Go back to a train.
All right, that was this way earlier. Oh, hello.
Hello.
How do I-
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the way out right now. I was supposed to help
You're
out
in
with
the
the.
basement.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Go up.
go up. Is there stairs?
Yeah. Right here is a set of stairs.
Fire door. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh.
And there's stairs up there, and you go out the door. And then, yeah.
Oh wow. Thank you so much.
And then you go to the right and the right and go back to lobby.
To the lobby.
Yep.
Sweet. To the right and to the right. Hello. Is this the way out? Oh, thank you. Oh, straight through here? Thank you so much. To the left? Straight and to the left? Oh, thank you. To the left, to the left. Oh. He was telling us how to find the loot. Wow. Ah. These chests are empty, I'm guessing. No. This loot's already been raided. Huh. This is a maze. How do they expect anyone to find their way out of here? Oh. Huh. Well, there we go. We found the way out. Please seat yourself. Bourbon Jack's Tavern. Hello. Secret passage. This is the secret tunnels they use to smuggle prisoners of war through the different buildings. This is the Chiba Hut dungeon. And we're right back outside. Ostriches. I miss going to the Ostrich Festival. Oh, wow. Oh, this place is neat. Hello. I'm from Chandler. I'm looking for the Ostrich Festival.
That way.
I'm from Chandler.
You're from Chandler.
Goodbye. Is this the Ostrich Festival?
The Ostrich Festival?
Yeah, I'm from Chandler. Hello. I'm looking for the Ostrich Festival.
Not here.
I'm from Chandler. I'm looking for the Ostrich Festival. Hello. I'm looking for the Ostrich Festival. Is this the way to the Ostrich Festival? Would you like to 1v1? Oh no, you guys, I just found out there's bandits on our tail. They're over there. We gotta run from the bandits. There's bandits after us right now. We gotta run from the bandits. Maybe we can hide in here. We gotta hide from the bandits. Okay, I think it's safe now. Oh no, the bandits are over there. We gotta run from the bandits. We're running from the bandits.